कर्नाटक में कांग्रेस ने बीजेपी हुकूमत से इन इल्ज़ामात का जवाब तलब किया है कि कर्नाटक के वज़ीर आला के दफ्तर से दिवाली पर सहाफ़ियों को कैश तोहफ़े दिए गए। कुछ सहाफ़ियों ने न्यूज़ चैनल को बताया कि उन्हें 1 लाख के हैम्पर्स मिले हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने लौटा दिए हैं। कांग्रेस ने कन्नड़ में सिलसिलावार ट्वीट्स में जवाब तलब किया है कि इस रकम के ज़राए का खुलासा किया जाए। क्या ये टैक्स अदा करने वालों के पैसे का गलत इस्तेमाल है और इसके बदले में आपने क्या मांगा है? कांग्रेस का कहना है कि यही वजह है कि हमने वज़ीर आला बसवराज बोम्मई पर पेसीएम का टैग लगाया था। कांग्रेस के तर्जुमान रणदीप सिंह सुरजेवाला ने कर्नाटक के जुर्रतमंद सहाफ़ियों को मुबारकबाद दी है जिन्होंने सीएम बोम्मई और उनके रिश्वत गेट को बेनकाब किया है। जनाधिकारी संघर्ष परिषद ने, जो कि एक बदउनवानी कारकुन ग्रुप है, कर्नाटक लोकायुक्त पुलिस में एक शिकायत दर्ज कराई है जिसमें बदउनवानी की रोकथाम के कानून के तहत तहकीकात का मुतालबा भी किया है। चीफ मिनिस्टर के दफ्तर ने अभी तक इल्ज़ामात पर कोई तबसरा नहीं किया है। ताहम बीजेपी ने कहा कि कांग्रेस बोम्मई के खिलाफ झूठे इल्ज़ामात लगा रही है। कांग्रेस ये भूल गई है कि डीके शिव कुमार का तोहफ़ा भी रियासत भर में बड़ी खबर बन गया था जब उन्होंने अरकान पार्लियामेंट को आईफोन गिफ्ट किए थे और ये जवाज़ दिया था कि अरकान पार्लियामेंट को डेटा तक रसाई और ऑनलाइन अपलोड करने के लिए फ़ोन की ज़रूरत है।
नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स। ब्राइब गेट, Bombay government's bribe gate is now out in the open, and this time the responsibility lies at the doorsteps of Chief Minister Bombay himself. And whom is he trying to bribe? This time Mr. Bombay has surreptitiously, overtly and in a conspiratorial fashion tried to bribe the entire journalistic fraternity by sending rupees 1 lakh cash to every journalist in Karnataka. Hats off to my journalist friends, hats off to electronic media friends who openly exposed the bribe gate of Chief Minister Bombay. This is not the first time that the 40% commission corrupt Bombay government has attempted to do so. BJP government in Karnataka has become infamous for the Pay CM campaign that people of Karnataka have launched. It has become infamous.
After observing the functioning of the media for the past few years, we had a very strong suspicion that there is something seriously wrong with the media houses of both our state as well as the whole of India. But this has been confirmed by the recent allegations of bribery by the Chief Minister of Karnataka himself through his media coordinator, where we have come to know that they have paid around 2.5 lakhs to some people and to 1 lakh also to some reporters. And even we have heard that a few of them, these reporters, have returned back the money after getting to know that it has been hidden in the sweet boxes of as the Deepavali gift. So this is a very serious situation that is going on. And even we have heard that they have got these reporters have received an apology letter from the CM's office also, which are quite unconfirmed, but only it can be confirmed by those reporters who have claimed that they have returned back the money and have got the apology letter. So this is a very serious development which will affect the democracy of our country, because media is said to be the fourth pillar of democracy, and all the common citizens of India look forward to the media to be very honest in the reporting. But the way the things are going, it looks it looks like a very unfortunate, pathetic situation, and to curtail further deterioration of such a situation, our organization Janadhikara Sanghasha Parishad has proceeded to file a complaint under Prevention of Corruption Act for bribery against the Chief Minister of Karnataka as well as the media coordinator of the Chief Minister of Karnataka before the Karnataka Lokayukta police, as well as give a representation to the Honorable Lokayukta, since he is the administrative head of the entire Karnataka Lokayukta institution. So we sincerely hope that this complaint is taken seriously by the Karnataka Lokayukta as an
It is very shocking and appalling, but not very surprising, that Mr. Basavaraj Bommai's media department has sent cash money as Diwali gifts for a lot of journalists in Karnataka. It gives a lot of credence to the allegations of Mr. Basavaraj Bommai leading a 40% commission sarkar in Karnataka. The BJP government has had multiple allegations of corruption in Karnataka. The CM of Karnataka, Mr. Basavaraj Bommai, right now claims that he's unaware of this entire incident. Question is, sir, if you are unaware of what your own media department is doing, what your own office is doing, how aware are you of what is going on in Karnataka state? We would need a CM at the helm who is aware of the ongoings of his own office and Karnataka state as well. We also want to know how many other decisions have been taken by the CM's office that the CM is unaware of. Who is the person who is in charge of the media department for the CM, and where did this person get so much of money? The source of the money is questionable. The money that was sent to the journalists is under question. And also very surprising fact for all of us is, after 3 years of governance, the Basavaraj Bommai led BJP government has nothing worthy, print worthy, that they have to resort to bribing the journalists in the hopes of getting some positive stories written as the election comes closer in Karnataka state. CM Mr. Basavaraj Bommai has reduced the dignity of the CM's office once again with his actions.